Welcome to Adventures with Paw Paw. Yes, I'm Paw Paw. Today, I'm getting ready to hook this Hitch up to go camping this week. And I found this little item, which is, I think it's pretty cool. So, but I'm going to show you. Come on down here. Right here. Watch this. You're driving down the road. That's a lot of noise and a lot of shaking side to side from when you're hooked up. Yeah, you're going to have a lot of weight on that, but it's still going to bounce. Well, I found this thanks to the other YouTubers. It's a little U-bracket that's going to tighten that up. So let me get my tools and let's get started. And we'll see how this thing works. Okay, so this is what we got. I don't know what size this is, but it's heavy. Okay, we got 1/4-inch steel plate. As you can see, it's beveled. Okay, we got 3/4-inch nut, so make sure that you have a 3/4-inch socket wrench or wrench. And this bevel edge comes up under here and goes like this. Then the U-bolt goes around and you snug that up tight. You have a washer and you have a lock washer and a 3/4-inch nut. So what we'll do is we'll take them, we'll put them on, hand tight. I'll get the other one here. We'll snug them up hand tight. Make sure that that's all the way back. Now, as you can see, that this beveled edge right here is up against the receiver and the flat portion is against the hitch. So then you take your socket wrench and kind of tighten them up evenly. Okay, that's pretty tight. Okay, now that we got this on, now we're going to test it. And remember what it did. I'll give you a little recap on that. Now we got this, being it's all tightened up. Look at that. No more bouncing. That tightened it right up. I love a product when you buy something and it actually does what it says it's going to do. This thing is awesome. I think every hitch and every receiver should have this on there. You've seen how much this receiver and the hitch moved, and it don't move at all. So this, they're not endorsing me whatsoever. They're not a sponsor. I don't even know the product name of it. But I'm giving that a double thumbs up. A double thumbs up. So, if you know what the name of this is, which I'll probably research it because I ordered it from Amazon, I'll put that in the description. And so, if you're looking for it, go ahead and get that. I don't believe it was, but maybe $10 or $15. So, it was well worth spent. So leave a comment if you have one, if you used it, how do you like it? And as always, thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw.